If you are tired and not able to recover your Google Ads account by clicking on this contact us and submitting this appeal, then this video is for you. So previously what used to happen with me is I used to create a Google Ads account, I run ads, and after some time it gets suspended for no reason or reason that I don't know. And I used to simply come on this contact us and click on this appeal button and fill out this form, and they will say you are still we cannot recover your account. That kind of email I used to get, and I used to get tired, and I used to use totally different things, different cards, different email, different internet connection, and then create another Google Ads account and again run, and again same problem happen. And this is one of my old account. As you can see, I have added this font in November 23, 2021. However, today's date is November 1, 2022. So it is like 1 year. So okay, 1 year have passed, and this account is still suspended. And I have other account also which is suspended, and I can easily recover these accounts. And exactly I am going to show you that thing. We are not going to use this contact us and submit appeal. Okay, that is not what we are going to do in this video. So watch this video till the end so that you don't miss any crucial information that I am going to provide you in this video. And if you are new to my channel, then please do like this video and do subscribe to my channel. Now without doing any delay, let's get started. The first thing, you need to open your suspended account, okay, and take the screenshot of this suspended interface, okay, and then just go to fiverr.com. okay, I'll put the link in the description for this site. Just go to this fiverr.com and then create an account on Fiverr, okay, and sign in. It is absolutely free to create an account on Fiverr. Once you have created your account on Fiverr, then simply log into Fiverr and you'll see somewhat this kind of interface. Now you can hire lots of people inside from Fiverr, okay, freelancer, to do work for you, okay. If there's any problem that you are facing in your life or online, okay, then you can simply come to Fiverr and search about that problem, and you're definitely going to find the solution, okay. 90% of your solution will be inside Fiverr. People are already solving the problem of other people's. So simply type on the search bar unsuspend Google Ads, and as you can see here, if you see this, okay, what I'll also do is I'll give a specific link for this gig, okay. You can hire this person also, because 48 people have given him like 5-star rating, okay, and he have successfully been able to recover ad account, Google Ads account of lots of other people, okay. And I'm going to show you. I'll create Google Ads account for you and will unsuspend it for you. So as you can see, create new or reactivate your suspended account, contact before order, pay after reactivation, okay. You can contact this person, okay. I'll put the link in the description for this especially for this person, okay, but there are other also, okay, but he have completed highest number of unsuspension of Google Ads account, okay, so that's why I'm recommending him. And if I open his gig, and here you can see this is his gig, okay, and let's see the review of the people. Like, I mean, but don't skip and directly go to this part, okay. There is still something remaining, okay, because if you don't want to pay this kind of high amount for unsuspending your Google Ads account, then there is way, okay. I'm going to show you that also. So here you can see got my account unsuspended in 2 days. So someone have recovered his ad account, and here you can see another. Our team has reviewed an account based on appeal. We are happy to let you know that it is reactivated. So this person is successfully being able to reactivate account of lots of other people. So if you try to reactivate by yourself, then it will be a little bit harder, okay. You may not be able to recover your account, but they know something which they will use and will help you to reactivate your Google Ads account, and they will charge you a good amount at. And if you are making more than this with Google Ads account, then you can surely afford to pay this kind of amount. But what if you cannot pay this kind of amount, okay? If you search for this service, then most people are charging a good amount of price, like $10, $30. So these may be new people, okay, who have just arrived. You can contact these people also, okay. So here you can see you can even get $15, create Google Ads account and unsuspend your ads account. So let's open it and see if she can do it for $10. No, that is just a basic level price. I'll create your Google Ads account, and in premium here you can see on suspend your Google Ads account $100. So most people are charging $100. So let's see what he does if you can recover for $30. So this is also a basic. For basic it is $30 to create a Google Ads account, and in premium he is charging $200 for Google Ads account suspension. But you don't need to pay this kind of hefty price, okay? In case if you don't have money. If you have, then either premium service and unsuspend your account, that's fine, okay? But if you don't have that kind of fund, then what you can do is simply come at here, okay, log into Fiverr, and then click on this, and then click on manage requests, okay? Just click on it and you'll see this kind of interface. Sorry, let's see, manage request. So once you see this kind of interface, then let me show you something, okay? Whenever you post some request at Fiverr, then you'll start to get offers in this way, okay? So for example, previously I was trying to hire someone for cheap price, okay, to make screen recording videos for my another YouTube channel, and I have offered a $10 budget, and if you and I have got some offers, okay, in this way. And if I click on here, then you can see lots of people have offered me this service for cheap price, okay? But if you go to their gig, then they will be charging the same for same service. They will be charging like $30, $50, okay? But if you post a request and you get this kind of offer, then you can get people to do videos or any work for you for cheap price. So now what you should do is just go back and again click on here and click on post a request, and you will see this kind of interface, okay? And this is optional, you don't need to fill out this. What are you looking for? I'm looking for someone who can unsuspend my Google Ads account. What category is best fit for you? Okay, so firstly let me type that. So you can write, I'm looking for someone who can reactivate my Google Ads account for an affordable price, okay? And then just click on choose a category, and so click on either Google Ads or search engine marketing or something. If that is related to search engine or Google, just select it, okay? Because if I just select it at here right now, then this browser will be hanged and I cannot show you the further process. So that's why I'm not selecting, okay? But I'll show you by opening this. And in next step, when you click on continue after selecting this category, then you can see add timeline and budget. So timeline means how fast you need delivery, okay? Give at least 2 days, okay? And then in budget, at least give like $20, okay, because it is a $100 project and most people are doing it for $100, and most likely you can offer this price of $20 and see if you can get. If not, then what you can do is just you can go to manage request, okay, and then just click on this and delete it and make another offer for $30 or maybe $40. Now if you can get someone to do your work for that price, you can try that, okay? So let me show you how to select the category. This will be hanged, okay? So as you can see, it is moving up and down, but let's click on here. Okay, here is the search engine marketing management. Let's click on it. Okay, so it is selected. Sorry for that. It is also optional, you don't need to select, and click on continue, okay? And then select the deadline, okay? Give at least 2 days, like 3 or 4. Select the date after 2 to 3 days, and I'm on budget. I'm not sure. Let's talk about money. In budget, you can give like 20, okay? And see, so in this way you can do it, okay? And then just click on review your brief, and then click on submit and get matched. So now it is saying us that sound of your brief being sent to freelancer. Custom offers will soon be arriving in your inbox. Keep track of your manager. Got it, okay? Just you got it. And then again go to this icon and click on manage request. Once your request is approved, and it will show in the active section, and in similar way you will be getting the offers and you can review it, okay? So guys, this much I wanted to show you in this video. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Take care. Have a great day. Bye bye.